What's up everyone? Today we'll be doing the exhaust. As you see, got the car up, rear muffler cut off and straight pipe put on and welded on there. But I'm going to cut off the rest of the exhaust up front and take my old Hilux 2.5 exhaust and cut that up into pieces. It's not flash, but I've got the angles and the bends there that I can cut up and then weld up together and make a whole 2.5-inch exhaust. So that's the plan for today, and I'm going to get into that. Alright, so the middle muffler's out now. So you got 3 nuts up there, straight pipe, hanger, and another hanger. So pretty much take those off, pull that down, let it hang, and then grab here and give it a tug this way. Whew. And yeah, it comes off pretty easy. That's a bunky looking thing right now, but she's roughly how we want it. So we got to cut a few more pieces off, stick some flanges in there, reducers, weld, and then I'll wire brush all of those, chuck some rust removal stuff on it, and then I'll just coat it in black and then put it back on and she should be done. Woo! Alright, let's get to that and put it back in there. Another few hours of work and we should be done. Okay, so I couldn't find any reducers. The exhaust shops around here couldn't and wouldn't stretch any pipe from 1.5 to 2.25. So I have had to make my own type of reducer up. This is what I come up with. For here, then reduce, and that's going to drop into the, obviously the smaller one. Ha!
Do you need me to hold anything?
Do you know where permanent, is there any permanent markers or a marker on that bench up there?
Oh, I have to have a look.
That should be enough for bounce and rise. There. Still needs to take the tailpipe out the end. If I cut that off, it'll give me an inch. So if an inch you come back, it'll clear that and it can come back. Took all day, but we got it in.
Let's see what she sounds like. vtec.
Alright, so coilovers have arrived. Cheap eBay coilovers. Okay, they're here now. It's time to put them on the car. With 3 nuts up top, 2 nuts down bottom, and then she'll come straight out. Okay, got the 2 nuts off, got one just holding it there. Those 3 are off up there, and we're ready to pull it out. So I'm going to pull that out, fit the new one, and I'll be back. Alright, so literally like 2 seconds and it came out, and here we are. There's a difference. Now these are new budget coilovers, so we're going to use those for this one. Obviously, you'd use max speeding, but it looks like we have a new competitor, BFO. I mean, their prices are similar, but still cheap and budget. So we don't know what to expect from these really. So first try, first go. Not bad. Let's get them in and see how she fits up. That's a bit low.
Yeah.
Alright, so another red one, got the wheel off. Get that bottom nut out. Top nut's out. Now let's pull that shock. Alright, so here they are. There's a new set of coilovers, budget eBay ones. Here they are. Let's chuck them on the back now. Alright, so they're in now. Check it out. Bottom's in, top's in, all the nuts back in, all the bolts back in, and the spring. Everything's all tightened up. Let's get that wheel back on. We'll do the same as the other side, and then we'll get back to everything, see how everything looks. All right, let's go. All right, so there she is. She is low in the front, but she looks good. Ah, dang. No, she look real good from this side too. She is low. Did she scrub hard when you turn?
She scrubs hard. That's why I had to do like a 3-point turn to get out of the driveway. You cannot turn them more than half. She don't like it. That is insane. Insane. Might need to get out of his way. Your thing on there, just there. Oh, yeah, it's nothing. It's just your wheel guard. Mud guard. It's a mud guard, yeah. That mud guard's scraping everywhere.
See ya. Fuck yeah. Mud guard.
Yeah.
I just take him off and then polish him. No one ever knows.
Where is he? There he goes. I can do that. Oh my gosh.
I had to raise it tomorrow. That's what it's about.
That's crack up.
Yeah, she's too low. Look cool. That is not practical, right? I just tore off a whole heap of tire for no reason.
Yeah, it smells like burning rubber. Where did you just go cutting up?
No, I just took off. Boosty.
Woo, boosty, boosty. That's amazing.
Yeah, so we've got the coilovers in now, and yeah, we can't keep it like that, so we're gonna have to adjust that. But she looks cool. Yeah. And I think I'm gonna have to take this inner liner out and roll the inside. And I have pushed it back with camber, so we keep it away from here for the moment. But yeah, she looks sick. So that's it for this one, guys. So stay tuned for the next one. Tomorrow we're hitting them rims and the headlights, putting it back on Marketplace and getting her sold. Alright guys, y'all have a good one. See you on the next one. Peace.